Hi guys, this is for Kaden and Autumn and your families, okay? So just a reminder with IXL, a lot of times we're going to do the IXL practice together also. So this is just to get an idea of what we know and what we can do on our own. And even if it's kind of tricky, I promise we will work on it, okay? And also I am available for one-on-one time to practice more in the afternoons if we schedule it. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. But this is a good way to kind of get walked through an example if you want to try it on your own, or if after we've practiced together you're still a little confused, okay? Which, remember, math is hard. It's okay to struggle a little bit, but the more we practice, the better we'll get, okay? All right, so please don't think you need to get 100% on everything. All I want you to do is just try your best, and we'll keep getting better, okay? All right, so when I look at IXL here, if I'm working on sale prices, 75% off. During the sale, Ava pays $16 for a cell phone. What was the original price? Well, if I have no idea what to do, I can look here where it says learn with an example. And when I click, I can get a little bit of practice on the steps I need to take to get to that answer. Okay, so it kind of walks me through it. What is a sale price? All right, and it tells me the first step. First, I need to find the percent off, right? So 100% minus the percent off, and what's left over there is the 50%. So now we need to solve for the original price. Now, what we're doing is, don't let the word fraction get you stressed, okay? It's just putting things into our calculator. When we see this line right there, that means we divide. When we see this dot, that means we're going to multiply, okay? So you just walk through this to get that original price was $8 for this practice question with miniature golf. Does that make sense? So use those practice questions. And even if, let's say, okay, we think it's $7, we got that wrong, make sure you look at the explanation and it again walks you through. And I'm just going to say one more time, please don't stress about the word fraction. Okay, I know that's confusing and I don't even want you guys to worry about fractions. What we're doing is more so just figuring out how can I put this in my calculator to solve it. Because in real life, if we're out shopping and we want to know a percentage off or we are looking for an original price, something like that, we're just going to use our calculator, right? So don't worry about the word fraction. Don't let it hold you back or stress you out, okay? Just figure out how can I put this into my calculator, okay? And we'll follow these steps. All right, so just keep trying your best. All right, okay. All right, have a great day, you guys. I'll talk soon.